Hello, my dear students. Welcome to today's class. Hope all of you are doing great. Today we are about to learn English of different body parts. So let's begin. Head, matha, hair, চুল, forehead, কপাল, eyes, চোখ, eyebrows, ভ্রু, eyelashes, চোখের পাপড়ি, nose, নাক, ears, কান, cheeks, গাল, lips, ঠোঁট, mouth, মুখ, tongue, জিভ, চিন, থুতনি, neck, ঘাড়, shoulders, কাঁধ, arms, বাহু, elbows, কনুই, hands, হাত, fingers, আঙুল, chest, বুক, back, পিঠ, waist, কোমর, stomach, পেট, legs, পা, knees, হাঁটু, ankles, গোড়ালি, toes, পায়ের আঙুল, bones, হাড়, heart, হৃদয়, lungs, ফুসফুস, brain, মস্তিষ্ক. All right, now we will practice question answers with all that body parts we have learned so far. Let's begin. I'm going to be asking you questions. You got to answer me. Ready? How many eyes do you have? How many ears do you have? How many hands do you have? How many legs do you have? How many fingers do you have? How many feet do you have? How many teeth do you have? How many hairs do you have? Thank you all. Thank you for being attentive during the class. Hope to see you in the next class with another new topic. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy.